Hello, how are you guys doing today? I hope that you're having a wonderful day. No tea of the day today because it is currently 7 o'clock. It's late in the evening for me to be doing my makeup, but you know, here we are. I have my Ipsy to unbag and try on for you guys. If you're unacquainted with Ipsy, it is a $12 a month subscription that heavily factors in your preferences, which is one reason that I really enjoy it. Okay, so I pulled it out and looks like there's one thing on the outside. It is a concealer brush. Oh, concealer perfecting brush, and it's from a brand called Beau. Oh, it's in French. I know the word beau. Beau Gushy. I'll show you after I take it out here. You guys see the writing on there? Is that Gushy? I'm not sure, but it has that very interesting shape. But I'll definitely try it for concealer. Oh, yeah, that might be very, very nice. Isn't the new Rare Beauty concealer brush like this? Definitely, we'll try that out. Okay, moving on to the bag. This is how it looks. I actually really enjoy the bag design this month. The little zipper looks like a little feather, maybe? The card says that the theme for April is Force of Nature. Now let's get out everything else. So first, I have something in a little, what this stuff is called? Bubble wrap. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow quad from PYT Beauty. Let's swatch it up a little bit. So this is the Upcycle eyeshadow, which is their Warm Lit Nude Mini eyeshadow palette. I think I have another one from PYT from Ipsy. Yeah, this one, but this one is like their cool version. This must be the warm version. So first we have a beigey color, a brownie color, which are both mattes. Ooh, they swatch nicely. That's pretty. Then we've got, I don't know, is that like a rose goldy shade? That's pretty. Yeah, I'll call that like a more rose goldy shade. And then there's a gold here. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Pretty. All right, I will be trying that out on camera today. That's exciting. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like a lip balm from Eco Lips. This is the Eco Lips Lip Food Nutrient Dense Organic Lip Balm in the scent of vanilla lavender with pumpkin seed oil. Let's try this out right now because my lips need it. If I could get it open, that would be great. Yeah, it's not even tinted or anything, which is just fine. Let's try out this lip balm. Feels like a typical lip balm. Very heavy on the lavender scent, which I enjoy. This would like be a nice bedtime lip balm. Okay, that's nice. Next, ooh, there's a mascara. This is from The Balm. This is their Mad Lash mascara. I've never tried their mascara. As I always say, I don't like to have too many mascaras open at once, and I already do have a few open. So this will be going into the backlog of mascaras to try. I will get to it eventually. I do always get to them. And there's one last thing in here. This is from Belle and Argent. This is the Picturing Sicily 8 free nail polish. I like it when Ipsy sends me nail polish because I don't really buy nail polish for myself. Like on a very rare occasion, I will do so. And they haven't sent me one from this brand before. Ooh, yes, look at that color. That is pretty. It's like a beautiful corally peach. Ooh, I like it. And I like it when they put the shade name on the bottom. A lot of the ones they send don't do that for some reason. This is very pretty and I'm looking forward to trying it. So it looks like the things that I'll be trying out for you today are the concealer brush and the eyeshadow quad. Let's get right into that concealer. Since it is the end of the day and it has been some time since I put on my morning eye cream, I'm just gonna take a tiny, like the tiniest dot of eye cream. I truly don't know why it matters because I'm not going anywhere else tonight. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Yensa concealer. This is the one that I always talk about how it's too dark for me, and I recently tried it under my eyes and no, it's not too dark. It's actually perfect. I'm gonna put a dot here and a dot here. Okay, let's see how well it blends. It's a nice soft brush. I really like it. Ooh. That's nice. Yeah, this is a winner. I really enjoy the brush. It is nice and soft and things blended in perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna put on the majority of my makeup and I will be back to try this out. All right, I am back to try out this eyeshadow quad. So I've been contemplating what I wanna do. I still have a few swatches. I'm definitely be putting this in the crease. And I was trying to decide between like the rose goldy shade. This is very much leaning rose, more than rose gold by the way, versus the gold. I think I'm gonna go with the gold on my lid today. I'll see how I feel as I proceed, but let's start with the chocolatey shade. Well, actually, you know what? Looking at how dark it is, I might just save that for the outer corner. Let's put this in the crease. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush from SL Miss Glam. This is the SS57. I actually don't usually use such a big brush because of my hooded eyes and it easily becomes too messy, but right now a lot of my brushes are dirty, so I'm working with what I have. Here we go with this shade. Yeah, that was the right decision. I think the dark brown one would have turned out pretty smoky if I put it in my crease. If I do that, I have to use a super light hand. Even so, this beigey, peachy shade is a little light for putting in my crease, so maybe I will add a little bit. Just a tish, just a tish. Oh yeah, that was perfect. Just a tish. I'm obviously not going for anything dramatic today. I'm hoping that it does show up that I did put a little bit of color there. Oh, and my eyes are primed, by the way. And for just a tish. All right, that's good enough for me. Well, maybe not. A little bit more blending. Okay, for the lid shade, I think I'm gonna go with the gold. I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, so now I'm going to take this, it's still a blending brush, but what does Luxie call this? Oh no, it's precision blending brush from Luxie to take a little bit more of that dark brown to put it in my outer corner. I'm just gonna kind of pat it right there. And it isn't a super, super dark brown, so it won't make it too dark. Just to add a little bit of dimension. And I think I'm gonna take what's left of my brush and just kind of put it right on the bottom lash line on the outer corner. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm really, really pleased with how it turned out. I have been wearing almost exclusively cool tones lately, so it's really nice to wear some warm tones. As for all the things I got in the bag, I really like my bag. The eyeshadow quad was really, really pleasant. The mattes blended out beautifully, and the shimmers, I didn't get a lot of fallout, and they were really, really creamy, and I think just really, really lovely. I really like the concealer brush. I will get use out of the chapstick, or I should say, it's not chapstick, Eco Lips Lip Food. I love the color of this nail polish. And I always, always, always will get to mascaras. Even if it might take me a little bit, I'll eventually get to this one. So definitely let me know down below if you get Ipsy. What did you get in your bag this month? Did you think it was worth the $12? I really do think mine was worth that this month. Very much so. As far as like how the eyeshadow looks, I'm gonna quick turn off the little ring light I have on. I have mostly just this window in front of me, but since it's kind of later in the day, I have this ring light on. Let's see if you can see. I look a little bit better. Whoa. Yeah, that made a huge difference. Check it out. But yeah, see, I like the funny shadows. That's why I have the light on. Let's banish the shadows and turn the light back on. Whoa. Okay, let's turn it down a little bit. Holy smokes. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.